this is our version 2 of the ATM, which we have deployed in this Prerana school in Raipur, and we are trying to collect the feedback, and one version is also deployed in our IIT Bhilai campus, and now we are trying to see how we can improvise on that and so that it can be brought to the market. Yes, we have shown you that how it works for automatic withdrawal of money from the people who are visually Divyang, and basically we have improvised many of the things in the second version. So one of the preliminary questions that was asked by the visually Divyang people is that if they are withdrawing the money, so they should also get a slip that assures them of their the amount of money withdrawn and what is given in the slip, because most of the cases, I mean, they are not very confident that whether the money they have been withdrawn is exactly that has been recorded in the bank. So the first feature we have added in version 2 is a Braille printout script. So after all the transactions are done, a Braille printout will be given out, and as we have seen, the Divyang visually people count the amount of money using a mobile application, and the same amount should be present also in the Braille receipt. So that gives a third level of assurance, and this last standard of assurance that whatever they have withdrawn has been digitally logged into the banking application. Secondly, as we know, recently all the ATMs have also started with an UPI interface where there is no requirement of any card-based payment. So another very important features in the ATM is the UPI interface. So without a card tapping also, they can very easily withdraw the cards from the amount from the UPI-based payment application to the same ATM. So now if I compare the old version, so there are all the remaining features like voice-based authentication, facial authentication, presence of an intruder in the ATM is captured by the mobile camera, and the interfaces are locked. It actually has first level of visual checks, then it goes for the voice-based authentication, and thirdly also it matches whether the mobile SIM is also belonging to the person whose bank account is tagged to the ATM card number. So again, we thank all the IIT Bhilai team, all the team from Prerana, which are helping us to come up with the application of the Divyang ATM.